Okay. Now let's talk about balance sheet versus income statement rich. I learned about this about 10 or 12 years ago when I was reading a book called The Millionaire Mind by Thomas Stanley. That book taught me so much on money. I learned about balance sheets and income statements. Okay. What a balance sheet is your assets minus your liabilities equals net worth. All right. That might feel a little overwhelming. It doesn't need to be. Let me rephrase it so you understand. An asset is something I own that has value. Real estate is always an asset. Now, you might have a liability against that asset. A liability is a loan, okay? So if the home is worth $350,000 and you have a loan for $300,000, that means you have $50,000 of equity, which is also equivalent to the term called net worth, okay? What am I worth as far as my assets are concerned, okay? That's called balance sheet, all right? Income statement is what is my income coming in every month, all right? How much revenue is being brought in, all right? And then minus my expenses, right? Which are typically on a monthly basis, sometimes annually, but typically monthly, especially in rental property investing. And what is the net income of that? All right. We always want that number to be at least zero or more as far as our rental property income statement is concerned.